Finally, we are here to do the problem 4 in the checkpoint at the end of the notes. These are the notes for Chapter 5, Section 5. This is, I believe, Part 9 of the notes. Oh well. We are told that a zero of this cubic function is x equals 2. We need to find the other zeros. Again, a reasonable person cannot accomplish this task in this small box, so I will create the problem on a new blank board and we will work it out there. Okay, here we go. I rewrote the function. I rewrote the information that x equals 2 is a 0. We need to find all the zeros. That means we need to do the factoring, read the zeros off of the factoring. X equals 2 is a 0 means we're going to do synthetic division. 2 is up in the box. 1, -4, -11, and 30 are the numbers across the top because they are the coefficients of the given polynomial. 1 moves down for free. 1 times 2 makes 2. -4 plus 2 is -2. To move again, multiply by 2, it makes -4. -11 and -4 are -15. Times 2 is -30. We get 0. Yet again, I will point out the fact that we got 0 is a good sign. It's a sign we did the problem right. So, if we were factoring the problem, which we are, at least temporarily, x minus 2 is a factor. That comes from the fact that 2 worked in the box. And then x squared minus 2x minus 15 is what's left over when you factor that. Of course, that's quadratic, so we can factor that, and that makes x minus 5, x plus 3. Boom. Because of these, we know our zeros. Are 2. That comes from the first factor. 5. That comes from the second factor. And -3. That comes from the third factor. You are now finally done with the notes for Chapter 5, Section 5, and ready to come to class and do example exercises in class. I'll see you in class.